Hi guys, welcome to another Python tutorial here on it.tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. This tutorial has the goal to talk about arithmetic operations in Python. The main arithmetic operations in Python are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation. Okay, so let's do a few examples. In this way you will understand better what this is about. So I'm going to use this print function, and I'm going to add two whole numbers 5 and 3 using this plus operator, which is used to perform the addition operation. So this is the addition operation. The result is 8. Another arithmetic operation used in Python is the subtraction. So using this minus operator, another arithmetic operation is the multiplication using this asterisk, in order to perform multiplication operations. So we are not going to use this symbol x, as we do in school, in order to perform multiplication operations. In programming languages, we are using this asterisk to perform the multiplication operations. Another arithmetic operation is the division using this backslash as a division operator, in order to perform the division operation. Here you go, the result is a float number, as you can see, but even if I put here 6, now the result will be a clean number. The result of the division between 6 and 3 is a clean number. Actually, it should be a whole number, but always in Python, even the result of division is clean, we get a float number. As you can see here, we have 2.0. So we have the decimal point, and here we have 0. Because the division between these two numbers are clean. But always in Python, we get a float number as a result of division. This can be checked using this type function. Oh, I forgot a parenthesis. Here you go. As you can see, so the result of this division operation is a float number. Even the result is clean. Alright, so bear in mind this. But what is very important is the priority level, the order of priority within a arithmetic expression when you are using more than one arithmetic operations. So for example, what is the result of this arithmetic expression? So 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 minus 2. So let's run this. So the result is 2. So how we get this result? 2. So we have here, as you can see, addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction. So this is the order of priority to perform the arithmetic operations within a arithmetic expression. The highest level has the parentheses, followed by exponentiation, followed by multiplication, division, and the lowest priority has the addition and subtraction. I just realized here I didn't show you an example about exponentiation. So 3 to power by 2, for example. So in order to use exponents, we are using a double asterisk as exponentiation operator, yeah? All right, so now I have to cut off these lines. All right, let's run it. And the result, it should be 9. It is 9, yeah? So this is the exponential operator. In this way, we can raise a number to a power, yeah? Okay, all right, so let's cut off this line. Okay, and let's remove here this comment symbol, yeah? Okay, so this is the order of priority, yeah, of arithmetic operations. But you should know multiplication and division has the same priority. Also, the addition and subtraction has the same priority within a arithmetic expression if you are using multiple arithmetic operations, yeah? All right, so okay, so the result of this expression is 2, as you can see. So taken in consideration the order of priority to perform the arithmetic operations within a mathematical expression, actually the first executed in this arithmetic expression, it should be either the division or multiplication. So these two operators has the same priority level. So which one will be executed first? In this situation, when we have one or more arithmetic operators which has the same priority level, the execution will be done from left to right. So the first will be executed the multiplication operation and after the division operation. Also, we have here subtraction and addition operation. Yeah, the first will be executed the addition operation. Yeah, because it's situated on the left side. The execution when two operators, two arithmetic operators are situated on the same level of priority, the execution is done from left to right. So let's see in Tony. I'm going to copy this and paste it here in Tony, and let's see exactly how the arithmetic operations within this arithmetic expression are executed. Hit the debug button, and now hit step into. The whole statement is selected, the whole arithmetic expression is selected, yeah. And now are selected operators situated on the same priority level, yeah. And now, as you can see, is selected the multiplication operation because the multiplication operation is situated on the left side, yeah. When two operators are situated on the same priority level, the execution is done from left to right, yeah. And the result of multiplication operation is 4. Yeah, now it's selected the division operation because in what is left here, the highest priority has the division operation. The result is 2, as you can see. And is left the addition and subtraction within this expression. And selection and execution is done from left to right, and the first operation executed will be the addition, and the result is 4. And the result of whole expression is 2, as you can see. So in this way are executed the order of priority within a mathematical expression, as you have seen before, yeah. Okay, let's stop this let's go back in here. But you should know that the parentheses has the highest priority. So the parentheses can change the result within an expression. Yeah. Now if I put here the parentheses, the highest priority will be the parentheses. The addition operation within these parentheses will be executed first. So let's check this in Tony. Okay, hit the debug button. And here you can see now the addition operation is executed first because it's situated within these parentheses, which has the highest priority, and the result is 4. And I stop this, So bear in your mind that the parentheses will change the result of expression if you are going to use parentheses within a mathematical expression, because the parentheses has the highest priority. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.